When I remember when black people couldn't drink from the same water fountains, when airlines hired only white stewardesses, when segregation wasn't whispered about, it was the law. From whites only signs in the United States, to colonial systems and color prejudice in Jamaica, to today's fight for equal opportunities, equity, and ownership. Black history has never been one period. It's been changing, shifting, rising, from survival to resistance to representation. But here's the question: have we truly arrived? Or are we still becoming? This Black History Month, we close out with a powerful curtain call conversation: the changing periods of Black history, Jamaica and the US. Join the dialogue, bring your voice, bring your truth. This Saturday at 10 a.m. on Voices with Lady D on YouTube. Satideh Mawnin Runnings, where culture meets conversation. Watch, like, and subscribe to Voices with Lady D on YouTube. Watch, subscribe, turn on notifications, and join the movement.